Good morning, everyone. It's a pleasure to be with you today, even if only virtually. I would have loved to be with you in person at the MEX Technology Conference Center, meeting with all of you who are shaping the future of Turkish industry. Unfortunately, due to scheduling constraints, I couldn't be with you on site, but I recorded this video, this message, to ensure I could still share with you our vision for the digital experience and how Dassault Systèmes is committed to supporting Turkey transformation journey. Let me first warmly thank our host, Yena Plus and Yena Sim, and especially Cem, CEO of our partner companies, and Denis, General Manager of Yena Plus. Thanks to both of you and your teams for your continuous trust, your incredible energy, and your dedication to our shared mission. Last month, I had the opportunity to visit Turkey with our local Dassault Systèmes teams and partners. From Istanbul to Ankara, I met inspiring leaders from all the industrial sectors. The energy, ambition, and readiness for transformation in the Turkish ecosystems are extraordinary. Turkey is not only waiting for the future, it's building it today. And that's exactly why I'm here virtually to talk to you about the next frontier in digital transformation. A frontier where AI, data, and experiences converge to accelerate innovation and sustainability across the entire design to manufacturing value chain. On February 4th, 2025, we have unveiled a major horizon for Dassault Systèmes, one that builds on the work over the past years to create game-changing solutions based on GenAI, but also on Dassault Systèmes core technologies. These solutions will enable our clients across all the sectors to take advantage of AI at each stage of the life cycle of product and services development. We are introducing 3D universes and related AI-based services. In fact, 3D universes are a new class of representation of the world. For the ones who have been following us for a long time, you know Dassault Systèmes DNA is inventing industry-changing representations of the world. 3D universes are the seventh generation of representation that we introduced over the past 40 years. The experience economy is an economy in which the highest value resides in virtual assets and intellectual property. This is why we're introducing 3D universes as generators of value. 3D universes are the seventh generation of representation introduced by Dassault Systèmes. Generation 1 was about 3D modeling for digital pre-assembly. Generation 2, digital mock-up for design in context. Generation 3, PDM, product data management, or information coupled with their representation for collaboration through project and program management in the engineering and manufacturing domains. Generation 4, PLM, product lifecycle management for product traceability and certification. Generation 5, virtual twins. More than a replica, it was an elevation with a full combination of virtual and physical. Generation 6, virtual twin experiences, from things to life, making biology an integral part of virtual twins. Each generation allowed new ways of imagining, creating, and producing. So, why 3D universes? 3D universes combine modeling, simulation, real-world evidences, and AI-generated content. They will allow customers to fully exploit their rich, high-quality patrimony of 3D designs, virtual twins, and PLM data. 3D universes offer a unique and secured industry environment for training multi-AI engines while protecting customers' intellectual property. As a consequence, we are introducing new AI-based services. One, generative experiences, experiences that are created by an AI. Two, virtual companions. Three, intelligent virtual twin experience as a service. But let me start by sharing with you what we mean by industrial AI. First, it's a trusted and sovereign AI. It is not a fictitious or approximate image, but a true scientific representation of industrial objects in their context with all their interactions and their entire life cycle. It is also an AI that puts human at the center. For example, the virtual companions we developed help you learn faster, speed up certain repetitive tasks, and gain more autonomy. AI is an essential lever for the efficient, dynamic, and automatic orchestration of business processes, methods, and resources in a continuous quest for performance, innovation, and differentiation. It is not anymore about having the most skilled people in every discipline, but rather unleashing, unlocking, and socializing the individual knowledge, converting it into an explicit and actionable knowledge. AI services are about to completely reshape the way organizations behave. It's not anymore about choosing between local or global optimum. It's about the ability to constantly restructure, reorchestrate value flows through services-oriented and model-based enterprises. The automation level of each of these services and processes, as well as the orchestration of all of them, is mission critical as it leads to greater performance, agility, resilience, sovereignty. AI is making this possible. The AI technologies that are at the core of the 3D Experience platform allow you to imagine new scenarios rapidly, explore new options simply, and decide on important technological and business trade-offs. This is possible because we developed and encapsulated powerful AI models that are scientifically correct, trustworthy, and industry-grade ready. And you can use this today. We provide the best of breed of language models like Mistral in a sovereign cloud environment. Our AI solutions are based on specialized industry domain, corpuses, and foundation models, as well as differentiated architectures. We provide ontologies, corpuses, standards, and regulatory norms that are precise and conform to industry-specific processes. Our solutions and technologies are grounded in more than 40 years of experience, knowledge, and know-how, and intellectual property management across all the industries we have been serving. The 3DS Universes become the playground for our customers to learn, discover, and generate experiences from virtual content and real assets. AI is naturally leveraging and prolonging the power of virtual modeling, simulation, optimization of the platform, and the power of confronting the virtual twin to the real-world data. Dassault Systèmes' strategy is to augment all what we have been delivering with AI, and that has actually already started many years ago. AI does not change the structure of our portfolio. AI fits naturally with all what we have been delivering. When I'm asked how many people work on AI at Dassault Systèmes, you have the answers here. All our talents are developing modeling, simulation, data science technologies, and experience across the entire portfolio. Concretely, what does it mean for customers like you? In each of our 3 sectors, we are focusing on new value areas centered around end products, the core value created by our customers for their end users. For example, for a car, we can connect the virtual twins of the design, engineering, manufacturing, and usage of this car. 3D universes make generativity trustworthy because 3D universes are science-based spaces for understanding, experimenting, and learning. In the life sciences and healthcare sector, With our multiphysics, multibiology modelers, we provide the virtual twin of the heart of a specific patient. By combining modeling, simulation, and AI, a surgeon can now, for example, generate therapeutic scenarios and validate them ahead of the operation. So the 3D universes become the virtual companion of the surgeon, helping him or her to make the best decisions. Protecting the data of a patient is just as essential as protecting citizen data. In the infrastructures and city sector, AI-powered 3D universes offer a trusted environment to manage complexity, aggregate multiple corpuses of data, like citizen data, city planning flows, and integrating them into a unified model to generate life experiences. 3D universes become an operating system for cities. 3D universes are built on 7 foundations. Virtual twin of everything for everyone. The world is represented through virtual twins that combine the virtual and the real. Experience at the core. Experience is what brings things to life. Those virtual twins can be experienced, they can be observed, they can be simulated and allowing what-if scenarios. Generative experiences and AI. Virtual twins and the knowledge and know-how associated to them represent an enormous data patrimony that serve as the basis to build generative experiences. Virtual companions. In the generative enterprise, employees are empowered with virtual companions that double their capacity to perform their work. Cycle of life. The Gen 7 represents the process from the living world, such as regeneration, aging, and healing. Sense computing. 3D universes can be experienced through new modalities that involve the human senses, emotions, perception, cognition, starting with the latest AR, VR devices. Knowledge and know-how platform. 3D universes are the place to learn from virtual twins, to combine them to generate new value. They are the platform to generate and manage knowledge and know-how. 3D Experience Platform is about to become the intellectual property lifecycle management platform. Let's consider, for instance, what we are doing with Renault. Only Dassault Systèmes can transform each car configuration built over many, many years into a reusable knowledge for all. This is important. It is about empowering our customers with the ability to really leverage their own data into a competitive lever. As a consequence, with 3D universes, we are repositioning Dassault Systèmes as the most trusted IP generation and management company. This is as significant as what we announced in 2012 when we launched the 3D Experience Platform. This is a massive transformation and impact for the entire industry. This is also about trust. 3D universes make generativity reliable. We are committed to protecting our customers' intellectual property. And we are doing this across all the main missions of an enterprise and across all the main functions and business capabilities. You can see here on the screen the latest version of our AI-powered portfolio of solutions. They are structured around 6 main themes: regenerative experience engineering, sustainable growth industrial operations, inclusive experience in life, research and innovation for sustainability, responsible and profitable business models, trusted end user relationships. To summarize, we have entered a new chapter with the 7th generation of the 3D Experience Platform, 3D Universes. This is not just a platform, it's a virtual universe. It's a universe where virtual twin, generative AI, lifecycle simulation, and real-world data come together. It empowers you to simulate everything, from a component to a factory to an entire city or an ecosystem. It's where the digital world augments the real one. 3D universes provide a unified environment for generative experience using AI to create, not just analyze. Virtual companions, AI copilots that assist engineers, designers, planners. Sense computing, connecting with real-time sensors data to understand what's happening in the physical world. And above all, a knowledge and know-how platform, because your experience is your most strategic asset. So to all of you who are attending today's event, whether you are a pioneer already on the platform or exploring what's possible, I want to say this: the time is now. Turkey has the talent, the industrial strengths, and the ambition. Dassault Systèmes is here to support you with the technology, the vision, the ecosystem, and the team to make it happen. Let's shape the future of design, engineering, and manufacturing together. Thank you again. Thanks to all of you to attend. Thanks to Cem, Denis, for this incredible engagement, for the partnership with all the teams of Jena Plus and Jena Sim. This is really this kind of event that reaffirms the power of working as one team. I look forward to continuing this exciting journey with all of you. So, teşekkür ederim. Thank you.